Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Calculus graphs can be tricky, but we can solve this quickly by looking at the rate of change for this sales function. Let's go! The problem states that the derivative s prime is increasing for the first 8 months. This means the slope of our graph is getting steeper, so the function must be concave up. After 8 months, the derivative starts decreasing. That tells us the slope is now getting flatter, which means the graph of the function must switch to being concave down for that period. We need a curve changing from concave up to concave down at 8 months. Only graph C clearly shows this specific inflection point. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the given information and check steps for option C.